Yeah,
Oh,
here we go.
Oh god.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, baby.
Oh,
Oh,
look, you gotta hold on.
No. Oh, God, no.
No!
Go down, Papa. Go down. They're going to take care of you. Go ahead. Look, you're getting sleepy. Come on, the net is there for you.
You got all
Look at
them
the
legs.
guy
Look how big
scared.
that
One of the
pig
guys
is.
is scared. He's holding the net like, it's coming.
Oh my
He's
god.
getting weaker. I see
Getting
it.
weaker,
His
okay.
legs. Look at his legs.
Oh.
He falling asleep.
He's going to sleep. He's going to sleep.
Yeah, but look at him. He's
Oh my god.
Oh, there he goes.
Ow.
He's ready to go. Give him
Ow.
Oh, he fell. Yay! Everybody clap.
Okay, that was good. Okay. Oh, you do all right, man.
Okay, so I just moved, and I don't exactly have hot water in my bathtub right now, but that's okay because I can just go to the sink, open the sink, and it's just.
Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you guys? Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. There you go, right there. You ready? Yep. 1, 2, 2. Yep. Oh, up, up. One more. 1, 2, up. What? 2, 3.
You gotta tip it towards me.
All right, hold on. Let me go back. Hold on. How do you get up?
Front door.
Front door.
Shoes off, please.
Don't let it go. Is it closer to your side? Can you grab?
What are we doing?
You gotta pull your side up. Yeah. Yep, right there. Fuck. You did it quick. I'm gonna move closer a little bit. You hold it?
I'm still down here.
Yep, hold on. All right, ready? Yep. 1, 2, up.
Right here.
So you grab the middle suit and lift it up.
Hold on.
Just pull it up a little bit. Yep, up.
All right.
On the way. On the way.
Us, Power Baby. Let's see if we can break them off. Going for 12 solid concrete slabs. Men's black belt, Power Sidekick Breaking Challenge. NAFMA Nationals in Atlantic City. USBA WBA ISK qualifier. Measuring the distance. Looks like he's ready to go. Us.
Hi, someone literally just stole your package like 2 minutes ago. Oh God, thank you. You're welcome. I appreciate that. Thank y'all. Have a good day. You too.
Oh. What the fuck going on? Hey, the squirrel trying to play basketball dead ass serious, Shouter. Shouter trying to play ball. Oh. It's a blessing. I gotta stop being mad right now. It's a blessing. Look. He remind me of Don. Don Abby want to play ball all the damn time. I ain't never, boy. I ain't never. Shouter want to play ball. Look at Shouter. Shouter want to play ball. Oh. Shouter want to play ball. Hell no. That boy air chipmunk. That boy air squirrel. That boy air squirrel. Hey, oh. Hey, man, we in the A with it, boy. The real. Hey, boy, we real ball players. Everybody got that celebrity, even squirrel.
Cuz trying to bait that motherfucker. There's hella people in there. They about to hit niggas. Never.
Yeah, and you're at least the other jab. Lots of jabs, nothing landed. However, Canelo is moving and not punching.
Around the ring with his feet. His head movement has been brilliant in the last couple of fights.
This is fantastic defense in this round from Canelo, and he punctuates it with a jab. Look at him slip all these shots. The hardest thing to do in the ring, make the man miss.
That is a beautiful display of defense on Canelo's part.
Wow.
Magkakakata na dapat huwag ka nakainom. Drink responsibly. Oh, ningagdan. Grabe ka na. Mura ka katrago. Grabe ka lang kasi, no? Oh, nice kay view guys ba? Nice kay diri tambay. Labi nang hagdan bitaw tanawa oh. Isa katikang nimo di sa kahulog dali. Grabe ka tok-tok hagdan. Wala ka gasungkod.
Taga-pila dia.
Okay ra na siya pati Roros. Nakamot ba ni kay Kwan man. Grabe tok-tok. Magnaog rin ni mo hulog gyud dali ba, no? Sus, indani kay manawag dere. Hawid dapat nakahawid gyud sakto. Grabe ka tok-tok oh. Sus. Hulog man tadaan niya. Nawad. Nawad tadi kontraktor. Grabe gyud yung kontraktor. Ay okay raman sad siya, budget meal ba. Game oh. Oh, sabay.
All right, Nathan, what do we got?
Got my Super Duty pogo stick.
So, 96 Jeep Cherokee front coil spring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeep's good for things besides squirting people.
Get him, Wrangler! All right, Nathan, what do we got?
Got my Super Duty pogo stick.
So, 96 Jeep Cherokee front coil spring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeep's good for things besides squirting people.
Get him, Wrangler!
Такого, все нормально.
Постріл!
Ого, вона покотилася, блін. По криші, їба. Оно, блядь.
Ти що, красава? Оце прикол!
做好事啊。